In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and track budgets in QuickBooks. This process is designed to be straightforward, and in about 5 minutes you'll have a good sense of how to manage your finances effectively. To begin, let's start by signing in. Head over to your browser and click on the Sign In button. Once you're there, choose QuickBooks Online. This is important as we'll be using the online platform for our budgeting tasks. Next, you'll need to input your login credentials. Make sure you have them handy. Once entered, click Continue. After logging in, navigate to the Budgets tab on your QuickBooks homepage. This is your entry point to all things budgeting, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and options available here. Now let's create a new budget. Click on the Create Budget button. You'll be guided through the setup process with simple prompts. Once you've initiated this, it's time to move forward by clicking Next. This will take you to the step where you can enter specific details of your budget. After you've clicked Next, remember to click Save. It's always a good practice to save your progress regularly, ensuring that any information you've input is not lost if you need to step away. Finally, once you've saved, fill in all necessary budget data. This includes the financial figures you want to track for your business or personal finances. Pay attention to the details here, ensuring everything is accurate. Setting up a budget might seem daunting at first, but with QuickBooks, the process is made effortless and efficient. As you input your financial details, think about your budgeting goals and how this setup can help manage them more effectively. Keep in mind that this platform is developed to accommodate both small business and personal finance needs, offering flexibility in how you organize and plan your budget. As you work through these steps, feel free to explore the features within QuickBooks budgets, such as reports or historical data, which can provide deeper insights into your financial status. If you're ever uncertain about an option, QuickBooks offers robust support and documentation on their website, guiding you through any questions or challenges you might face. Once your budget is set and all your data is entered, you'll have a comprehensive view of your financial landscape. This will enable you to make informed decisions and track your financial goals with ease. Remember, budgeting is a dynamic process. Revisit and adjust your budget as needed, responding to the changes in your financial situation. Thank you for following along. With this setup, you're now ready to harness the power of budgeting in QuickBooks to enhance your financial management. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick guides. Happy budgeting!